I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today for my weekly home reset. As I'm resetting my home and getting ready for the weekend, I started to think about what the Bible says about fear and about being afraid. Do you realize that the Bible mentions "do not be afraid" 365 times? That's once per day for the entire year. It's the most repeated phrase in the entire Bible. Why would God tell us this so many times? Of anything He could repeatedly tell us, why does He tell us this? He assures us of this. Why then did He tell us so many times? God knew that we would have reasons to believe we were in danger of many things, insecurities or worries, and anxious and stressed about many things. So God put this in the Bible 365 times to comfort us and reassure us that we didn't need to be afraid of anything. He doesn't just say, "Don't be afraid," and leaves it at that. He says, "Don't be afraid, for I am with you." To Abraham, He said, "Don't be afraid, for I am your shield." To Moses, He said, "Don't be afraid, for I will fight for you." To Joshua, He said, "Don't be afraid, I will be with you wherever you go." God never promised us an easy life, but He did promise to be with us in everything we go through. He's not just with us, but He is for us. And if He is for us, who could be against us? If the sea couldn't stop Moses, a giant couldn't stop David, the grave couldn't stop Jesus, then no one can stop God's perfect plan for us. So put fear aside and don't be afraid. Pray for strength, knowing that God is always with us. I appreciate you being here so much, and I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and come back every week for my weekly home reset. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time.